Liam Jacobs has to be one of the most disloyal politicians I've ever seen. You know, some people can say that politicians, they lie, they cheat, they steal, but Liam Jacobs is plain disloyal because he was part of the Democratic Alliance early last year and a member of parliament. Then he left the Democratic Alliance and joined the Patriotic Alliance with Gayton McKenzie around June. And right now, once again, by clockwork, in June, he has rejoined the Democratic Alliance. And even the leader of the Democratic Alliance, Gordon Hill Lewis, is saying that, okay, that name, I cannot really catch it because, yeah, man, the leader of the Democratic Alliance is one of the most forgetful leaders I've ever seen, because even John Steenhuisen had some charisma. You know, you could easily remember him. So Gordon Hill Lewis, the leader of the Democratic Alliance, was saying that there might be some issues at the Patriotic Alliance. So I'm just wondering, what kind of issues could they be facing? So yeah, man, yeah, Liam Jacobs is back again at the Democratic Alliance.
Come on, brother. Liam, I want to say to you, welcome home, buddy. It is amazing to have you back in the DA. Let me say that it would be absolute hypocrisy of us if we expected no one to ever make a mistake in life. Every one of us was in our 20s once, and that's the point of your 20s, man. You got to learn, you got to grow, you got to figure.
I never really understood why Liam Jacobs left the Democratic Alliance, because the color blue actually looked good on him. The color green, it just looked weird. Him rocking the Patriotic Alliance jersey, it just looked weird. And he has never been more irrelevant than when he was at the Patriotic Alliance. I think the only time I heard anything about him or what he's doing is when he actually left the Democratic Alliance and gave his first speech on a video TikTok thingy. So at that time, he was citing his reasons why he left the Democratic Alliance. And I think it was due to the leadership. John Steenhuisen maybe had issues with him. So now, since John has left, I think he has a leeway of actually coming back to the Democratic Alliance, which is weird, man. Like, you need to be loyal to one political party, because even though politicians, we don't really trust them, they stick to one political party for a very, very long time. The only switches that I've seen is a politician leaving a political party, like Julius Malema leaving the ANC, also Jacob Zuma leaving the ANC, and they form their own parties. You get what I mean? That makes more sense. You leaving a party, joining another party, and coming back to that party. I mean, like, come on, dog. Like, really?
And I remember